Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G73. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet and tap Add to Wallet button. Now focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transit Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it, you will be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty Card and select card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet button and it's done. Now go back, enter gift card, and similarly to Loyalty Card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. And that's it, all of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.